quick video today on gears. This is something I made up. I got the gears from an old theatre spotlight. So we have 32 teeth on this one, 48 teeth on this one. We've put a marker on them, so if we line the markers up and turn the 32 tooth one, the 48 tooth one goes 2/3 the way round, another 2/3, and they meet up again. We also have this. Would have been a electric drive motor on here, and it's a reduction gear, and then a gear that moves backwards and forwards. And this was actually taken off a twin tub washing machine, but it's a good example of gears, gearing down, and levers. And we also have a pulley system where we can gear up or gear down.